Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are doing exercise 9A from our book. This is question number 5 on your display. The question is, there are 14 boys and 25 girls in a school badminton team. Find the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls. So what we need to do here, we need to find out the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. So whatever written first, that is boys, will be in numerator, and whatever it is on the second number which is girls, this will be in denominator. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, नंबर ऑफ बॉयज डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स हमने लिख लिया, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमने रेशियो निकालना है. सो 14 डिवाइडेड बाय 25, 14 बॉयज हैं, गर्ल्स 25 हैं. So 14 upon 25, or you can write 14 is to 25. Ratio means division. Always remember this point. Ratio means division of fraction. So हमने इसको find out कर लिया. Now the second point is the number of girls to the number of players in the team. अब हमें ratio निकालना है number of girls का total number of players के साथ. Now first of all we need to find out the number of players. We need to add number of boys and number of girls to find the number of players. So 14 plus 25 is 39. This is number of players. Now, as the question says, find the ratio of number of girls to the number of players. I have written here number of girls divided by number of players. Now, how many girls are there? 25. And how many players are there? I have added here. ये देखिए number of players जो है मेरे पास 39 है. 25 upon 39, or you can write 25 is to 39. Actually, we need to give the answer in this form, ratio form, because we are doing ratio here. Now question number 2. If x is to y is 11 is to 8 and y is to z is 6 is to 7, calculate x is to y is to z. Now what we have to do here, we will write x is to y is to z just like that in brown color, and then we will write this first one, the first ratio of x and y, which is 11 and 8. First line में हमने 11 और 8 लिख दिया x और y के नीचे, जैसे यहाँ पे हमें given था. And the second point, or the second data is y is to z is 6 is to 7. We need to write this in the second line. The first line 11 is to 8, then second line is 6 is to 7. Okay. Now, whatever the number coming twice or variable, just like y is coming twice, y इधर भी और इधर भी, that will be in center. अगर यहाँ पे z दो दफा आता, जैसे यहाँ भी z होता और यहाँ भी होता, तो we will write z in the center. तो यहाँ y दो दफा था तो हमने y सेंटर में किया है. Now what we will do, we will write 11, हमेशा ऐसी मल्टीप्लाई होगा ये. फर्स्ट लाइन का फर्स्ट नंबर सेकंड लाइन के फर्स्ट नंबर से होगा, to get the first ratio x. 11 is to 6, 66. ये जो रेशियो एरोज हैं हमेशा ऐसे ही रहेंगे. Then 6 8 से होगा 48 और 8 into 7 56. ये हमारे पास तीन रेशियोज आ गए. Now ये तीनों 2 से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं, so we will divide these three numbers by 2. So we will get the simplified form of these two ratios. So we have find out x is to y is to z, 33 is to 24 is to 28. Now in the second part, we need to find x is to z. So what we will do here, we will write the value of x, which is 33, and the value of z, which is 28. This is done. Okay. Now in the next question, given that 2x upon 5 is equal to 3y upon 8, find the ratio of x is to y. Now what I have done here, I have done the cross multiplication. This is 5, ये उधर जाके 3 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. सही है, यहाँ देख सकते हैं ये 3 यही है अपनी जगह पे, और 5 जो है इधर डिवीजन में था लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे, ये राइट पे जाके मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आके यहाँ पे. इसी तरह y यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा था, ये नीचे आके यहाँ डिवाइड हो गया. 2 यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई में था, वहां जाके डिवाइड हो गया. एक्चुअली हमें x अपॉन y निकालना था. सो वी हैव वी मेक द हमने जो इसको अलग कर लिया है, वी हैव इंडिपेंडेंट द x एंड y. इंडिपेंडेंट मतलब कि हमने उसको अलग कर लिया x और y. ठीक है. सो now in the next step we will multiply these numbers. 3 into 5 15 and 2 into 8 is 16. So x upon y is equal to 5. 15 upon 16, as I told you before, the division means ratio. So इस division को हटा के we will write ratio x is to y is equal to 15 is to 16. Now the next question, question number 8 from your book is Amira, Hussein and Priya make a total of 1530 toys in the ratio of 12 is to 16 is to 17. Find the number of toys Huxian makes. Now what we will do here first, we have to find out the total ratio. These are the individual ratios. We need to add these three ratios to find the total ratio. So total ratio here is 45. We have added all the individual ratios. And the formula to find the number of toys or the individual amount is individual ratio divided by total ratio multiplied by total amount. So the individual ratio, we have to find out the individual ratio of toys of Huxian is 16. Okay, 12 for Amira, Huxian for 16, and Priya has 17. Now we will write individual ratio here 16, total ratio is 45, and the multiplication amount or the total amount is 1530 twice written in the question. Now when we will multiply these all, we will get 544. Okay. Now in the next step in part 2, the question says the amount of money Priya earns if she paid 1.65 for each toy. Okay. First of all, we need to find out uh, uh, for each toy. We need to find the value for each toy. So what we will do, we will write number of toys Priya makes 17 upon 45 because the ratio of Priya is 17. Here it is 17, and we will divide it by 45 because the total ratio, and we will multiply this amount 1530, which is the total toys, total amount. When we will solve this, we will get the answer 578. This is the number of toys Priya makes. These are 578 toys. Now फॉर ईच टॉय, एक टॉय के लिए उसको कितने पैसे मिल रहे हैं 1.65, तो 578 के लिए कितने मिलेंगे, हम उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो वो हमारे पास अमाउंट आ गई 953.7. ओके, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन आस्क मी. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज.